In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Dynamic Equity Allocation Model in TradingView Pro. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find the indicator and get it running on your charts, so you can start experimenting with it in your own trading. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process will be the same. Once your chart is up, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually located in the main toolbar above your charts area. Go ahead and click on that Indicators button. This is where all of TradingView's built-in tools, community scripts, and your favorites are stored. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Before you type anything, just make sure you're at the top of the list view so your search results show clearly. Now, click into that search bar and start typing Dynamic Equity Allocation Model. You don't have to type the full name perfectly. Usually, entering the keywords Dynamic Equity Allocation will be enough for TradingView to pull up the right script. As you type, TradingView will filter the list in real time. You should see the Dynamic Equity Allocation Model appear in the results below. If there are multiple results with similar names, simply look for the one that matches the exact title you want to use. When you've found it, click on it once. TradingView will automatically apply the indicator to your active chart. At this point, you'll see the model plotted on your chart. Depending on how the script is designed, it might appear as lines, bands, or overlays that help you visualize how much equity should be allocated based on certain conditions. If you want to adjust the settings to better fit your trading style, hover over the indicator's name in the chart legend and click the settings icon. From there, you can tweak inputs like risk parameters, look-back periods, or visual styles. Take a moment to experiment so the display is clear and easy for you to read. Finally, if you're not already on TradingView Pro and you want to unlock more indicators per chart, faster data, and additional tools, check out the affiliate link in the description. Upgrading to Pro can make working with models like this smoother and more efficient, especially if you like to combine multiple indicators in one layout.